So what are you doing?
Laundry again. And this clunky old dryer and clunky old washer.
Well,
Well, what?
I'm sorry.
Well, you know, we've had it a long time, and the washing machine's still alright, but the dryer, I think the drum is off balance and it catches stuff. I feel something right there. Two things. I think it's something I cut off. Because it gets hung and hangs there, you know what I mean? Man, I wish I had a new washer and dryer, but such is life.
Hey,
Carry on.
you better beef up your YouTube if you want some money to go get you a washer and dryer.
Okay.
All right.
Better.
Too many deliveries already. I'll get out of here now. I make the best. I got the receiving in. We got your washer and dryer. We're still waiting on the dishwasher. Hasn't come in yet. We're getting it tomorrow. But we're going to be home. Are we taking some out or? No. We just put them out here. All in. Oh. Make it still use them. Oh, okay. Make it easy on us. Front end? Yeah. 1524 and 1525.
Keep on going. We're gonna move that one over with this one too. Yeah, that looks really cute on that YouTube video.
Right.
You got more on the truck.
Yeah. Always different side. Mainly when you're doing it by yourself. Exactly.
Oh boy, oh boy.
So they don't know when the other machine's supposed to be in?
Not till, she said probably either tomorrow because we get a truck, if not Monday when we get the other truck.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Can you see the picture of it or not?
Huh?
Is that the front of it?
Yeah. Oops, I got signed. Where?
So, goodbye, appliances. You were good while you lasted. I hope you get a new home. I just love to do laundry. I have my new Samsung front loader washer and dryer. I do laundry all day long now. I go ask the neighbors if I can do their laundry. It's beautiful. It's a Samsung. It's huge. It fits a whole lot of clothes, and you have all these options you can use. I'm going to have to make sure that I read the directions because there's so many options. And you can even hook it up to your telephone because you can be at the grocery store and see if your clothes are washing. It's just so convenient. And the dryer is absolutely huge. It is like having a laundromat in my own home. Now, we did purchase the front-loading washer and dryer alone without the boosters, but they were too low to the ground, so we went back and purchased the boosters, which makes them up high and very convenient to throw your laundry in, throw it into the dryer. It's quiet. It makes a lovely little dinging sound when it's through. The boosters are not just to boost it. They both have drawers. We don't have anything in our drawers right now, but you can put your detergent, your laundry, whatever you would like in there. And it is high efficiency, so when you put in your detergent, you only need half a cup. It is awesome. I am so happy. I can do laundry all day long now. The neighbor's laundry. I even might think about putting Gooby in for a bath. No, I won't do that. I absolutely love the new washer and dryer by Samsung. I highly recommend it. It is very new to us. Very possibly later on we could do another video telling you more about it. We haven't had it very long, but as of now, I love doing laundry. So, when my sweet husband got me the new washer and dryer, he also got me a new dishwasher. All of our appliances were very old and we're just trying to update a little. We got a higher H-A-I-E-R dishwasher, and it probably has higher intelligence than I do because it has so many options and so many bells and whistles. It works beautifully. I absolutely love it. It is stainless on the inside. Of course the racks are not, but none of them are. It is very deep. It holds way more dishes than my last dishwasher did, and I absolutely love it. And again, just like the washing machine, you can hook it up to your phone and it lets you know when your dishwasher has started, what cycle it's in, when it finishes. And I mean, again, I haven't had this very long yet, but as of right now, I absolutely love it. It cleans thoroughly. I have not had any issues with it whatsoever. I love the looks of it. And it does have many features. Again, I'm not even familiar with all of the features yet. But what I do know is that it cleans my dishes great. And as of today, I would give this a thumbs up. Ding! And I'm going to unload the dishwasher, reload the dishwasher, and dirty up more dishes so I can load it again because I am so excited about cleaning with my new appliances. Cha-ching!